Tradition of packaging Ansam cakes. Tradition of packaging Ansam cakes ប្រពៃណីនៃការវេចនំអន្សម The word Ansam is a word derived from the original word which is nom sansam. That means nom that represents the abundance of crops which people work in the field to sell this crop to prevent self-harm in each family, especially during the dry season or when the country is at famine war. The word Ansam is a word derived from the original word which is nom sansam that means nom that represents the abundance of crops which people work in the field to sell this crop to prevent self-harm in each family, especially during the dry season when the country is at famine war. ពាក្យថាអន្សមនេះគឺជាពាក្យក្លាយមកពីពាក្យដើមថានំសន្សំគឺមានន័យថាជានំតំណាងភោគផលបរិបូរណ៍ដែលពលរដ្ឋបានធ្វើការងារស្រែចម្ការសន្សំទុកនូវភោគផលនេះសម្រាប់ដោះស្រាយការរស់នៅមិនឱ្យមានការខូចអត្តឃាតក្នុងគ្រួសារនីមួយៗជាពិសេសនៅរដូវរាំងស្ងួតឬនៅពេលស្រុកទេសមានសង្គ្រាមទូរភឹកអន្តរាយ In the early Khmer period, we divided Ansam cakes into two types, called female Ansam and male Ansams. In the early Khmer period, we divided Ansam cakes into two types, called female Ansam and male Ansam. នៅជំនាន់ដើមខ្មែរយើងមានបែងចែកការវេចនំអន្សមជាពីរបែបហៅថាអន្សមញីនិងអន្សមឈ្មោល The packaging female ansam is wrapped by glutinous rice with wrapped bananas as a roll call and the banana leaves are folded at one end on both sides. Then put two cakes together and roll them together well. And last put them cooked in a large pot. គេវេចនំអន្សមញីដោយដាក់ខ្ចប់អង្ករដំណើបជាមួយចេកទុំធ្វើជាស្នូលមូលរំហើយបត់សន្លឹកចេកនៅក្បាលនំអន្សមទាំងសងខាងតែមួយផ្នត់រួចដាក់ផ្អោបគួបពីនំចងមូលភ្ជាប់គ្នាឲ្យជាប់ល្អទើបយកទៅដាក់ស្ងោរក្នុងថ្លាងធំ As for packaging, the male Ansam cake with beans and salted pork in a round core wrapped in banana leaves, thicker than the female Ansam cake, and then the banana leaf is folded on both sides of the Ansam cake with two folds. As for packaging, the male Ansam cake with beans and salted pork in a round core wrapped in banana leaves, thicker than the female Ansam cake, and then the banana leaf is folded on both sides of the Ansam cake with two folds. ចំណែកការវេចនំអន្សមឈ្មោលវិញមានដាក់សណ្តែកបាយនិងសាច់ជ្រូកប្រឡាក់ប្រៃដាក់ជាស្នូលមូលរុំនឹងស្លឹកចេកយ៉ាងក្រាស់ធំជាងនំអន្សមញីរួចហើយគេបត់ស្លឹកចេកនៅក្បាលនំអន្សមទាំងសងខាងក្បាលនំម្ខាងមានពីរផ្នត់ Then wrap the rope tightly and alone there is no combination with any enzyme. Then wrap the rope tightly and alone there is no combination with any enzyme. រួចហើយរុំខ្សែព្រាលចងឲ្យណែនតឹងទល់តែឯងមិនមានផ្គូផ្ជាមួយអន្សមណាទេ Due to packaging male and female some cakes in different ways, it is easy to distinguish between male and female cakes in different genders according to their appearance. Female and some cakes have a sweet taste with rye banana core and boy beans. Due to packaging male and female and some cakes in different ways, it is easy to distinguish between male and female cakes in different genders according to their appearance. Female and some cakes have a sweet taste with rye banana core and boy beans. ដោយសារការវេចនំអន្សមឈ្មោលញីបែបខុសគ្នានេះហើយទើបអាចឲ្យគេចំណាំនំអន្សមបានយ៉ាងងាយថាមួយណាញីមួយណាឈ្មោលក្នុងលក្ខណៈជាភេទខុសគ្នាតាមរូបរាងគឺអន្សមញីមានរសផ្អែមមានស្នូលចេកទុំនិងគ្រាប់សណ្តែកស្ងោរ and small shapes, short and flat, due to the squeezing of two not into one. And small shapes, short and flat, due to the squeezing of two knots into one. ហើយមានរាងតូចខ្លីនិងសំប៉ែតដោយសារការច្របាច់ផ្គួបចងអន្សមពីរផ្អោបចូលគ្នាតែមួយ The male ensemble is usually salty, has a large elongated round core of beans and pork, sometimes weighs up to 5 or 6 kilograms. The male enzyme is usually salty, has a large elongated round core of beans and pork, sometimes weighs up to 5 or 6 kilograms. ចំណែកអន្សមឈ្មោលតែមានរសជាតិប្រៃមានស្នូលសណ្តែកបាយនិងសាច់ជ្រូកមានរាងមូលធំហើយវែងជួនកាលមានទម្ងន់ដល់ទៅ5ឬ6គីឡូក្រាម In the past, the locals in the riverside or large stream used to make some cakes with only glutinous rice and salt, not to call coconut paste or sugar, because they wanted to keep it for many months without spoiling it, especially made on some cakes. In the past, the locals in the riverside and large streams used to make on some cakes with only glutinous rice and salt, not to call coconut paste or sugar, because they wanted to keep it for many months without spoiling it, especially male and some cakes. នៅសម័យដើមអ្នកស្រុកដែលនៅតំបន់មាត់ស្ទឹងឬអូរធំគេច្រើនធ្វើនំអន្សមដាក់តែអង្ករដំណើបនិងអំបិលឡមៗមិនដាក់ស្នូលដាក់ខ្ទិះដូងឬស្ករទេព្រោះគេចង់ទុកឲ្យបានយូររាប់ខែមិនមានឲ្យផ្អូម ជាពិសេសនំអន្សមឈ្មោល This enzyme is often wrapped in bundles and boiled. When not eaten, they can be tied with a string and thrown to the bottom of a river or deep stream with cold water. Then enzyme can keep the taste for a long time, not easy to spoil. This enzyme is often wrapped in bundles and boiled. When not eaten, they can be tied with a string and thrown to the bottom of the river or deep stream with cold water. Then the enzyme can keep the taste for a long time, not easy to spoil. គេច្រើនវេចអន្សមនេះចងជាចង្កោមស្ងោរឲ្យឆ្អិនពេលណាបរិភោគមិនអស់ទេអាចចងខ្សែបោះអន្សមទម្លាក់ទៅបាតស្ទឹងឬបាតអូរជ្រៅដែលមានទឹកត្រជាក់នោះអន្សមអាចរក្សារសជាតិយូរមិនងាយផ្អូម Whenever they want to eat, the locals will go to find a piece of onsam, cut it, boil it, and eat like a normal freshly packaged cake. Whenever they want to eat, the locals will go to find a piece of onsam, cut it, boil it, and eat like a normal freshly packaged cake. នៅពេលណាមួយដែលគេនឹកភ្នក់ចង់បរិភោគអ្នកស្រុកនឹងទៅស្រាវយកអន្សមមួយកាត់យកមកស្ងោរហើយឆីដូចនំអន្សមធម្មតាវេចថ្មីៗដែរ In particular, our Cambodian people often make cakes like this in an era when the country is at famine war. In the midst of ships, it is difficult to run away from the war and it is difficult to go out to cook food. In particular, our Cambodian people often make cakes like this in an era when the country is at famine war. Enemies on ships. It is difficult to run away from the war and it is difficult to go out to cook food. ជាពិសេសទៅទៀតអ្នកស្រុកខ្មែរយើងច្រើនធ្វើនំអន្សមរបៀបនេះនៅក្នុងកាលយុគដែលប្រទេសជាតិមានសង្គ្រាមទូរភិក្សមានខ្មាំងឬចោរប្លន់ច្រើនពិបាករត់លូនគេចចម្បាំងនិងពិបាកចេញចូលដាំអាហារលាងគម្លាន It is often done to provide emergency supplies to soldiers in battle. Because there is no time to cook, it is often done to provide emergency supplies to soldiers in battle. Because there is no time to cook. គេច្រើនធ្វើដើម្បីទុកជួយផ្គត់ផ្គង់ទាហានដែលនៅក្នុងសមរភូមិចម្បាំងដោយភាពប្រញាប់អាសន្នព្រោះពុំមានពេលដណ្ដើមចម្អិនអាហារ Vocabularies Number 1 Packaging and some cakes ការវេចនំអន្សម Number 2 Glutinous rice អង្ករដំណើប Number 3 Famine war សង្គ្រាមទូរភិក្ស Number 4 Keep the taste for a long time រក្សារសជាតិបានយូរ Number 5 Not easy to spoil មិនងាយផ្អូម Number 6 a normal freshly packaged cake นมอ่อนซ้อมธรรมดาวิทថ្មីៗ Number 7 era កាលយុគឬសម័យកាល Thank you